From a broader perspective, failing to execute this strategy correctly means you never develop the discipline that successful investing requires. Successful investors typically follow a set of principles. They know how to evaluate a company, they maintain patience, and they understand the importance of diversifying but focusing on quality. By approaching small investments the wrong way, you never internalize these principles. Without them, even if you do stumble onto a winner occasionally, you won't understand why it succeeded or how to replicate that success. Finally, the long term cost of poor execution is that you remain stuck with mediocre returns that fail to beat the S&P 500. The whole point of making small strategic investments is to potentially outperform the market. If you don't approach this correctly, you likely lag behind the benchmarks. This means you're not growing your wealth as effectively as you could be. Over years or decades, the difference between matching the market and beating it can be enormous. By doing it wrong, forfeit that potential advantage. In summary, the wrong way to execute the theme of using small investments for large returns is to engage in behavior that's impulsive, unresearched, and emotion driven blindly, following hype, misunderstanding the businesses you invest in, and treating the market like a casino are surefire ways to erode both your capital and your confidence. The cumulative effect of these missteps is missed opportunities, wasted time, and subpar returns.